Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete blank page in Word. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open any file in Word. So here you can see that I have 3 pages. The page 1 have text, the page 2 have no text, and the page 3 also have text. So how I can delete that? So the first step is you need to click on the view. Once you click on the view, you simply need to click on navigation pane, and here you can click on pages, and here you can see 3 pages. So simply need to select the second page and click on delete. Once you click on delete, you can see that the 2 pages will be remain. So here you can see that the second page is deleted. So this is a process by which you can delete blank page in Word. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.